The Woman Men Adore is a book that is all about how to be irresistible to your man and become his queen that he can't stop thinking about. This book is all about how to understand men better and how to be the type of woman that he will never want to leave. Click the link in the description below this video for details. This book is a very interesting insight into relationships and it will appeal to you if 1. You are single and hoping to attract a high-quality man. 2. You are in a relationship but your partner seems hesitant to commit. 3. You want to know what men really look for in a partnership and what they find attractive. 4. You've struggled to have success in relationships and you want to know what you are doing wrong. 5. Your relationship is lacking and you want to know what to do to bring more love and passion into it. 6. You are having issues in your relationship and you want a helpful blueprint for how to tackle them. The important thing that this book will expand upon is the idea that successful relationships don't just happen, they take work and understanding and dedication. A happy marriage or partnership is the result of hard work and commitment. This book is all about opening up your heart and being firm and strong in your emotions, so that you can do this kind of sustained long-term work in your relationship. After all, before you can love anyone else you must first love yourself. Of course, this isn't a book about manipulating and controlling men. It is all about how you can get your man to respond to you and help him realize that committing to you is safe. The author of this book is a man named Bob Grant, who is a relationship coach, qualified therapist, licensed professional counselor and author. He has a lot of experience with relationships and male and female dynamics as he has been counseling for over 20 years. He knows a lot about how men and women interact and what they are looking for in a relationship. He uses his real-life experiences as fuel for this book, all about relationships and forging a long-lasting love. The Woman Men Adore has generated a lot of buzz on the relationship book market recently, so you might be curious about checking it out. The good news is that if you want to take a look inside the book and try it for yourself, there is no risk to do so. The book comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee, so if the techniques within don't work for you, you can simply return it, no questions asked. This takes all of the risk out of checking out this program, so why not take a look? The techniques might just be the ticket to a happier and healthier relationship and more love and romance in your life. Click the link in the description below this video for details.